Tired of banks taking fees and blocking access to your money? Welcome to DeFi, short for decentralized finance, where you control your assets, earn interest, borrow, lend, and trade without needing a bank. But it's not all sunshine and gains. This is your guide to getting started safely in DeFi. 1. What is DeFi? DeFi is a blockchain based financial system that runs on smart contracts with no middlemen like banks or brokers. Instead of going to a bank for a loan or deposit, you use DeFi platforms on blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, or BNB chain. Examples of DeFi platforms: Aave, lending, Saicha, borrowing; Uniswap, trading, swapping tokens; Curve, stablecoin trading; MakerDAO, create DAI stablecoin using collateral. TOS, how to get started in DeFi? Step by step. 1. Get a crypto wallet. You need a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask, Ethereum, Polygon, Trust Wallet, Mobile, Rabbi Wallet, multi-chain. You'll control the keys. No bank or app has your funds. Buy crypto. Buy ETH, Matic, BNB, etc. on a centralized exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, then transfer it to your wallet. 3. Connect to a DeFi app. DApp. Go to app.uniswap.org. For token swaps, app.com to lend or borrow your .finance to auto-earn yield. Connect your wallet, authorize use. No signups, no banks. Just blockchain and you. Or start small and learn. Try swapping small amounts, provide liquidity, lend stablecoins like USDC or DAI, stake tokens for rewards, never go all in. Practice first. 3. What to watch out for in DeFi risks. 1. Smart contract. Hacks. DeFi runs on code. If that code has bugs, it can be exploited. Billions have been stolen in hacks. Tip. Stick to audited, well-known protocols like Aave, Compound, or Uniswap. 2. Rug pulls. Some DeFi projects launch, raise money, then disappear. Tip. Avoid unknown coins with no white paper, no team info, no audit. Impermanent loss. If you provide liquidity to a pool, your tokens may lose value compared to just holding them. Tip. Learn about risks before jumping into pools like ETH USDT or Doge USDC. 4. Gas fees. On Ethereum, fees can be very high. Tip. Try layer 2s like Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, or use chains like BNB chain or Solana for cheaper transactions. 5. Scams and fake sites. You may get tricked by fake versions of popular sites. Tip. Bookmark official sites. Use tools like DeFiLlama.com to find legit protocols. 4. Learn before you leap. DeFi isn't gambling, it's learning by doing. Start with stablecoins and platforms that offer tutorials or testnets. Great learning tools: ETHBuild, Visual Smart Contract Builder, DeFi Llama, DeFi Rankings and Data, Chainlink Academy, Basics of Oracles and DeFi, LearnWeb3.io. DeFi Dev plus user tutorials. 5. What's the potential of DeFi? With DeFi, you can earn 3 to 10% on stablecoins, borrow without credit checks, send money globally in seconds, access financial tools 24/7. It's open finance that's powered by code, not corporations. In traditional finance, you're the product. In DeFi, you're the bank. Earn 3 to 10% on stablecoins, borrow without credit checks, send money globally in seconds, access financial tools 24/7. Conclusion. But with great power comes great responsibility. Learn the tools, understand the risks, then own your future, one transaction at a time.